Today we're going to look at the Valley Iron Furnace in Wyattville, Pennsylvania. I'm on 322 West out of Franklin, and I'm going to take 427 North in Wyattville. The furnace is not even a half a mile up here on the left. It's only 100 feet or less off the road. It's probably the easiest furnace of them all to find, and I'll be there very shortly. This is easy to miss in the summertime because of all the vegetation. There's the furnace right there. I say it's 50 feet off the road. Okay, we're at the Valley Furnace, also known as the Orleans Furnace, here in Wyattville, Pennsylvania, in Venango County. I think the furnace was built around 1845. This is a round furnace. Most of the ones I've seen have been square configuration. You can see there's a raised area over here. I'll bet that's all slag. And then if you come down here, you can see where the creek is. Now the main creek is in the distance there. I bet you they cut this in here for the water wheel. And they have this raised area here, which I bet is all slag, that they used to maybe bring in materials in and out of here. What's funny about this furnace is it's not made against a hillside. So they had to build a ramp to charge it. I only found one write-up on this furnace. It said they used the top stones for a road project. Well, they didn't use them for that. About 200 yards up, they piled the stones along the creek for erosion. I'll take you up there and show you that too. Okay, so the furnace is about 100 yards below that yellow sign down there. So we're about, I don't know, 500 yards upstream from the furnace. If you come down here, there's a bend in the creek, and you can see all these cut stones here. Looks like the size of stones they had on the furnace. And I believe they brought them from down there and put them all up here for erosion. This is Sugar Creek. It's a nice trout stream. I've fished this trout stream a few times in the past. I just started coming up here last summer to fish it. And I didn't even see the furnace in the summertime with all the brambles and thorn bushes around it. And this is early April. Come up here trout fishing, and that's how I stumbled across it. There's some more cut stones along the creek. Probably came from the furnace.